how to clean the goat tripe and how to prepare the goat tripe. See the recipe further. Putting here inside all, okay, let it get boiled. I have removed this, see, okay, and with this cloth I will remove this all, okay, with this cloth. See this, see, all is removing, okay, like this you have to remove this all, okay. Washed, neat and clean, and soon, okay. Onion, chili, ginger garlic paste, and we are putting coriander masala, green red chili powder, dhania powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder, all in one, jeera powder and all in one. We have pulled the salt inside. Now we are putting the goat tripe inside. See this. After 45 minutes or 1 hour, you have to cook for 45 minutes or 1 hour, okay. And this is very, very tasty. If you need more chili powder or more garam masala, you can put inside, okay. If you like this video, share this video. We are putting mutton or peas